Okay, so for the last part, I'm just going to introduce a little bit of the Hong Kong Young Ophthalmologist to the AIOS and also to the Young Ophthalmologist Society. So it will be a short presentation and then we can dive into discussion. So we are established in 2016, initially as some social events of young ophthalmologists over some happy hour, but then eventually we thought that it was a good idea to start the Hong Kong Young Ophthalmologists Group. So our mission is to connect ophthalmologists in various sectors across Hong Kong, especially with young ophthalmologists, and to help budding eye surgeons become future ophthalmic leaders, and to facilitate international exchange of ideas among young ophthalmologists from different nationalities. So we are a branch or a subgroup under the Hong Kong Ophthalmological Society. We have formed a young ophthalmologist committee in for governance and also for academic training, for social networking, for public education, and for membership and internal communication. So currently, these are starting this year. So during COVID, what have we done? We have tried to continue our education and workshops. Actually going on now, and 2 weeks ago is a young ophthalmologist retina workshop that was has much participation for our community across different sectors, from residents to early post fellows to a very senior ophthalmologist in the panel discussions. We also previously have done multiple webinars on basic ophthalmology investigations for our training residents, and also a review on the neuro-ophthalmology in the webinar with neuro-ophthalmology made easy not long ago. So these are the things we have done during COVID, and we have started a WhatsApp group to try to increase our connection in this time of social distancing. So we're trying to collaborate internationally. We have previously, during our annual scientific meeting, had a Young Ophthalmology Society symposium, where we invited our colleagues from Singapore, from the UK, from India, and also locally to help us present. We also have represented ourselves in the AAO meet and greet for young ophthalmologist leaders. And just last week, we have been invited to join the Cake and Pie Expo to discuss about ophthalmology training, education, and practice during a pandemic, with a panel discussion with multiple YO leaders. So we thank you again for the invitation, and also we welcome very much for future collaborations. So this is our HKOS website. You can contact our HKOS Secretariat for future collaborations, or you can contact me directly for any activities or collaborations with the Hong Kong Young Ophthalmology Society. So thank you very much, all the speakers. Maybe we can go into discussion and talk about, see if there are any questions from the participants and also from the panel.